football champion team Yode. Zasa Hisaule North Kitter Ma Boko delegates Miheshorum Tata Vuriwa. Zasaule Tenizu Boko delegates Mitrawe Mukari. Zasaule Kituna village Boko delegates
The 50 years anniversary of Chokri Area Games and Sports Association enthralls in us the motivation to recap the incredible memories and the euphoria of the achievements and relationships we have developed over the stretch of 5 decades. From what the forerunners and the pioneer had conceptualized during the early 1970s to conduct a sporting event and form the association can arguably be considered as a challenge and a goal which they have set for us by bestowing the responsibility upon the present genre to be able to put themselves in a position to meet the challenges by creating a real sense of self-awareness, discipline, and opportunities to develop skills, talents, and friendship through sports. From the initial beginning of what it seemingly appears to be a recreational event has now evolved to be a major competitive sporting tournament, and evidently we have witnessed the rapid progress of games and sports in our region during the last few decades through the selfless initiatives and visions of the successive leaderships over the years. Today, through the talents and skills of some sports personalities within our backyard at the international, national, and state arena, the sporting spotlight of the region has become valuable, worthy, and a pride to reckon.
North Kitama, Puko delegates Mihesho remote tha. So very kaza, Trechut cut Sakabakuhi, Tenizu Kole Mupuko, delegates Mitrap Mukari. Delegates Mehet Tha Buriwa. village. Buko delegates mehetna mukna wariwa. Buko delegates mehetna wariwa.
타 니고 에실을 다 사요 에어플랜을 다 사요 job opportunity 사요 니고 뜻제즈를 후노 그게 미치 사요 다도 소소스 보니고 좋아해 니고 시시다 이래 그게 토미소스리 우고 히비노 풀을 즈보 그게 톰티바 슬라타 우리그바고 다 니고 시시다이노 니고 그게 토스를 드스레이 CS 아메시스 버스니 고쳐 보세요. 백 디스트릭트 에리아 그리스바 에리아 그리스바에 도르시 우 저쪽 에리아 네히 우고 백 디스트릭트 우 셰스 부비조 백본 부비조노 그래서 그데미 그조 우 저쪽 에리아를 브라모 뭐 운느노 그래서 그데미고 우리 컨퍼런스에 키즈요베
I give my respect and honor to all those pioneers who has founded this association with a vision to train and bring up our younger generation in the field of games and sport.
God-fearing person. I have great faith in our youth. Therefore, coming here together in this manner, spending lots of money, if you see the expenditure that we have incurred in this tournament, it's huge. But let us not come just for sports enjoyment or meeting friends, but let us have an ambition. Sports can bring change, not only unity, but economic development, change in our society. So there are so many things, but since we have come here only for sports, therefore, taking the advantage, I want to share my concern to you and an appeal to you that we must become leader of sports and bring change in our society. So with these few words, once again, I thank you so much for inviting me, and I will carry this wonderful message of our relationship, our unity to my area and to my government. Thank you so much, and God bless all of us.
하고 그 제모를 때 티보도 그 세일이 마돌레바 하고 좋다나 하고 bom도 금하노 마도고 호블린 자티 그 레보디 니 보르 츠르츠리리 타마마 뜨고 그 베서 통모다요 시 그물리 밀라노 시다 그모 레다 그모 그물리 밀라 그 세그모 다사고 bom을리스
이다 Chokri Area Games and Sports Association Baye Pungo Golden Jubilee Resiti Hill Imu Arna Timutugo Sala Adz Prasio
Never say never, because limits, just like fears, are often just an illusion. Michael Jordan.